Good evening. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 8th, 2014. It's currently 6:52 a.m. We have clearing skies after a bout of showers this morning, some of it heavy at times with some thunderstorms. Temperatures this evening range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the New York City metropolitan area and lower 60s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. We're going to have clearing skies the rest of the evening, although there's still a threat for an isolated shower here or there with a few passing disturbances. Temperatures tonight will fall into the lower 40s along the coast and upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior. On the latest surface map, you can see our low pressure system is lifting up into the Canadian Maritimes. Our cold front is now off the coast. Another weak area, low pressure off the North Carolina coast, and also high pressure starting to take hold throughout much of the eastern United States. Looking at the latest radar, you can see for the most part we're ending up rather dry for this evening over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But you see a few of these disturbances here and there are producing the threat for an isolated shower this evening, but most locations will remain dry. And then you notice the showers back here over the upper Midwest and Mississippi River Valley and Tennessee River Valley. These showers will be a threat for tomorrow with an isolated shower or even an isolated thunderstorm possible moving forward. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see one low pressure system over the southern Mid-Atlantic, our other low pressure system driving up into the Canadian Maritimes. Here's one disturbance we're going to have to watch out for tomorrow with a few isolated showers. Here's another one for Thursday night into Friday, and we have more on the way. We can see that even more so with the water vapor satellite picture. A rather active weather pattern, but no strong disturbances. A lot of weak disturbances moving through, keeping the threat for an isolated shower or even an isolated thunderstorm in place over the next several days, but also a very warm weather pattern in place where if you don't have any rainfall, it's going to be absolutely beautiful out with sky cloud cover and temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, even pushing into the 70s by this upcoming weekend. It's going to be absolutely beautiful out there. Now, we're going to use the GFS model guides from the Penn State EWOL website for tonight. We could use the European or the Canadian model guides, but they're all pretty much in the same boat as far as the forecast overall. For tonight, again, skies will clear. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, dry conditions. Temperatures fall into the lower 40s along the coast, upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior. For tomorrow, sky cloud cover and isolated showers possible. Temperatures rebound into the upper 50s to lower 60s. For Thursday, again, high pressure is pretty much in control, but I can't rule out an isolated shower here or there or even an isolated thunderstorm. Most locations, though, will be completely dry, with temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. For Friday, again, an isolated shower or even an isolated thunderstorm is possible with a passing disturbance. Otherwise, very comfortable weather conditions. Temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s for lows. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, possibly pushing 70 degrees in some urban locations, like let's say Camden, New Jersey, Newark, New Jersey, Philadelphia. Most locations, though, in the mid to upper 60s. On Saturday, we're going to have another cold front attempt to move through, but will weaken as it's doing so. Again, a few isolated to widely scattered showers can be expected on Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, possibly even an isolated thunderstorm, but most locations, again, will remain dry. Saturday, temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs, pushing the upper 60s to lower 70s over the Delaware River Valley, basically from Philadelphia on up through northeastern New Jersey. For Sunday, again, high pressure is generally in control. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but otherwise, tranquil conditions can be expected. Temperatures in the mid 40s for lows, mid 60s for highs. And then on Monday, we're going to watch a low pressure system and a powerful cold front approach the region with periods of moderate to heavy rain developing late Monday into Tuesday, and that rain will be heavy on times. Now on Monday, temperatures range from the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. If this cold front is slow enough, I would not be surprised if temperatures on Monday afternoon push into the lower to mid 70s. And then on Tuesday, because of the periods of heavy rain, Cooler conditions with lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s and highs in the mid 60s. Now, this low pressure system on Tuesday could produce a great deal of moderate to heavy rainfall and the threat for flash flooding, but of course, if severe thunderstorms develop to the south, that could rob the moisture of this storm and limit rainfall amounts. Something we'll have to watch as we get closer towards the end of the weekend and the start of next week. Well, that is the forecast discussion for tonight. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. And as always, stay safe out there.